Are you ready to cozy up your living room for fall? Whether you're looking to completely transform your space or just add a few seasonal touches, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be diving into some of the latest fall living room decor ideas that are trending this year. From warm color palettes to layering textiles, I've got plenty of ideas to help you create a welcoming and stylish space for the cooler months ahead. Stick around to the end for all the tips and get ready to make your living room feel like the perfect autumn retreat. Let's get started. Warm color palettes. One of the easiest ways to bring fall into your living room is through color. This season, warm, earthy tones are all the rage. Think rich hues like burnt orange, deep reds, and mustard yellows. These colors instantly add warmth and depth to any space. You don't need to repaint your walls to achieve this look either. Start small by swapping out your throw pillows, blankets, or even adding a new rug in these tones. The key is to layer these colors subtly throughout your living room to create a cohesive, cozy atmosphere without overwhelming the space. Natural textures and materials. Bringing in natural textures and materials is a big trend for fall decor. Think about using elements like wood, woven baskets, and even stone accents to add a rustic touch to your living room. Wooden coffee tables or side tables paired with woven baskets for storage can give your space a warm, earthy feel. You can also add a few decorative items like dried flowers or pampas grass in a simple vase to create a natural, relaxed look. These touches connect your decor to the outdoors, perfect for the fall season. Layering textiles. Layering textiles is a quick way to add warmth and comfort to your living room. Think about mixing different fabrics like wool, linen, and faux fur to create depth and texture. Drape a cozy blanket over the sofa, add a few cushions with varying patterns, and layer rugs to make the space feel more inviting. This approach not only looks stylish but also gives your living room that perfect cozy fall vibe. Fall-scented candles and lighting. Nothing says cozy fall vibes like the right lighting and scents. Fall-scented candles such as pumpkin spice, cinnamon, or apple instantly create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Place them around the room to fill the space with a comforting fragrance. To enhance the mood, consider adding soft lighting with table lamps or string lights. Warm, dim lighting gives your living room a calming glow, making it the perfect space to relax during chilly fall evenings. Seasonal decor, accents. Incorporating a few seasonal decor pieces can instantly elevate your living room for fall. Pumpkins, fall foliage, and rustic signs are popular choices this year. You don't need to go overboard. Just a few carefully placed accents can make a big difference. Try adding a pumpkin centerpiece on your coffee table or placing a vase with fall leaves on a shelf. For a personal touch, you can even create your own DIY fall wreath to hang on the wall. So, whether you're updating your space with warm color palettes, layering textiles, or adding natural textures and seasonal accents, these simple decor ideas can transform your living room into a cozy fall retreat. Which of these trends are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.